So here's the first of the story problems. I added a bunch of these story problems to here, which I think are a lot of fun. I put them at the bottom. These are story problems that came from the advent of code, which is very nice. And so this one here, consider a list. You have various numbers, and there are two entries that sum to 2020, 1721 and 299. These two numbers add up to 2020. So here's code that will download that list from my server, and you'll see the list. And so your question is here, write code that will find the pair of numbers that add up to 2020. And you'll just have to go through the list twice is the simple answer, for each one here, then try another one, and if they add up to 2020, if they don't, go on to the next. So you'll have to go through the list twice. Your program will scale as the length of the list squared, but we're not using a very long list here, so it doesn't have to be more efficient than that. And here you've got a longer list, see, quite a lot longer. And once again, you go through that list. It looks like it's maybe 50 or 100 values. Find two numbers that add to 2020 and multiply them together to get the flag. And here, use the same data but find three numbers that sum to 2020, multiply them together, and that number is the flag. So the simple implementation of that would scale as n cubed, and even so, since n is only about 100, you can easily do n cubed calculations. If you want to, you could think of a smarter solution. I can think of ways to do it by sorting the list, and that would exclude a lot of values and make it faster. But for this short list, there's no need to be that efficient. Anyway, that's all there is to that one. Gives you more practice writing code to solve a simple problem, basically just using loops.